The population density of the least developed nations is lower than that of their smallest cities. As a result of a lack of resources and territory, the world's least populous nations have very limited capacity to produce riches and prosperity.
Hello everyone. Welcome to AWZ. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Mongolia. Mongolia has very little agricultural land and is one of the least inhabited nations in Asia because a large portion of the nation is covered in mountains and deserts. The projected population of Mongolia in 2016 was 3,068,243. The population of the nation is concentrated in and around Ulaanbaatar, which is home to almost 40 to 45% of the total. The primary religion in Mongolia is Buddhism, while the official language and most widely used is Mongolian. Bhutan. South Asia's Bhutan is a tiny, mountainous nation. The nation, which is endowed with both natural beauty and a distinctive culture, is situated in the heart of the eastern Himalayas. Bhutan, the third least populous nation in Asia, has just 758,288 people living there in 38,394 square kilometers. The two largest ethnic groups in Bhutan are Ngalip and Sharchap, and Dzongkha is the official language of the country. 75% of Bhutanese practice Lama Buddhism. Montenegro. The ninth smallest country by population in Europe is Montenegro, which is located in southeast Europe and has an Adriatic Sea coastline. The estimated population of the nation was 642,550. The majority of people in the nation are Slavic in origin. The only official language of Montenegro is Montenegrin. The capital and largest city of Montenegro is Podgorica. With a population of 591,919, Suriname, South America, is the least populated Suriname country. Along with being the smallest nation on the continent, it has a 63,252 square mile area. Luxembourg. The tiny nation of Luxembourg is encircled by territory on all sides. Belgium, France, and Germany form the country's external borders. With a total territory of around 2,586 square kilometers and a population of 594,130, Luxembourg is a small country. Luxembourgish, French, and German are the nation's three official languages, and its citizens are referred to as Luxembourgers. People of Portuguese heritage make up the majority of the ethnic minority. The majority religion is Roman Catholicism. Brunei Darussalam. Southeast Asian island of Borneo's northern coast is home to the tiny nation of Brunei. Except for the coastline in the South China Sea, Sarawak, a Malaysian state, almost completely encircles the nation. With only 443,593 people, Brunei is the second least populous nation in Asia as of 2017. Urban areas are where 76% of the population resides. The official language of Brunei is Standard Malay, and ethnic Malay make up 65.7% of the population. The majority religion in the nation is Islam. Maldives. With 392,709 inhabitants, Maldives has the least population in Asia, placing it 27th in the globe. Over 115 square miles, 26 atolls make up the nation. The tiny population of the nation continues to put a pressure on its meager resources. Iceland. Iceland is an island country in the North Atlantic Ocean with a surface size of 103,000 square kilometers and a population of only 339,747. As a result, it is one of the least populous countries in the world. Icelandic is the official language of Iceland, and 93% of the people is of Icelandic descent. Nearly 60% of people reside in the capital region and 99% of people live in metropolitan areas. Here, Christianity is the most common religion. Seychelles. The Vatican is ranked as the least populous nation in the world and the least populous nation in Europe. On different continents, the smallest country's size changes. Seychelles ranks as the 12th least populous nation in the world with 93,920 people. It is, however, the least populous nation in Africa. Seychelles has a substantially smaller population than the next least populous nation in Africa. Andorra. A mountainous microstate in the Eastern Pyrenees, Andorra is situated in southwest Europe and encircled by land on all sides. Andorra is the sixth smallest nation on the continent with a territory of 468 square kilometers. It is the seventh least inhabited continent with a population of only 76,965. Surprisingly, ethnic Andorrans make up only 33% of the population, whereas the majority of the country's citizens are Portuguese, French, and Spanish. Andorra's official language is Catalan, and Christianity is the country's most popular religion. Pacific Islands. The Marshall Islands, an island nation in the Pacific Ocean's Micronesia area, will have the 10th lowest population in the world in 2021. It is a sovereign island nation located just west of the Gregorian calendar. The 59,190 people who make up the nation live on 5 islands, 29 coral atolls, 1156 uninhabited islands, and islets. Majuro is the nation's capital and largest city. Dominica and Nevis. The nation of St. Kitts and Nevis, which consists of the 2 islands of St. Kitts and Nevis, is situated in the Eastern Caribbean Sea. In 2021, it will have the 9th lowest population in the world. There are just 53,199 people living there, not counting the hundreds of thousands of tourists that come here every year, many of whom are attracted to the beaches. For instance, St. Kitts and Nevis saw roughly 1.2 million visitors in 2019. As a result, one of the main economic factors in the nation is tourism. The nation is a Commonwealth kingdom, and Elizabeth II serves as the head of state. In the Caribbean, it is the sole sovereign union. Monaco. Monaco is a tiny independent city-state and microstate located on the French Riviera, a few miles, or kilometers, west of the Ligurian area of Italy, with the Mediterranean Sea to its west. On its north, east, and west sides, France is bordered. The Principality, which has 39,242 residents, is 9th among the world's 10 least populous nations as of 2021. Liechtenstein. With fewer people than the Vatican, San Marino, and Monaco combined, Liechtenstein is the 4th smallest nation in Europe. There is a little German-speaking nation in the Alps between Austria and Switzerland that has a majority Alemanni population. The Prince of Liechtenstein is the monarch with a constitutional system of government. The population of the nation is 38,128. The total area of Liechtenstein is around 62 square miles, 160 square kilometers. In terms of population, it will be the 9th least populated country in the world in 2021. Majority German-speaking, with some Swiss, Italians, and Turks, and hailing from Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. 2/3 of the workforce is made up of individuals born outside of the country. Europe's least visited nation is Liechtenstein. Costa Rica. With a population of 33,931, San Marino is the 6th least populated nation in the world as of 2021. It is a tiny nation and a microstate in Europe, located in southern Europe and encircled by Italy. San Marino is a country that is more than 61 square kilometers in size and is situated in the northeastern Apennines. The nation is also called for Saint Marin, a stonemason from the modern-day Croatian island of Rab, which was a part of the Roman Empire. Palau. The country's most populated city, Koror, is located on the island of Koror. The state of Melakeek's capital, Nurulmud, is situated close by on Babeldabe Island. Despite having a smaller population than Tuvalu and Nauru, Palau has a far larger land area. In the South Pacific Ocean, there lies a little island republic called Palau. In terms of population, it is the 6th least populated nation in the world as of 2021. 18,094 people call it home overall. International waters to the north, Micronesia to the east, Indonesia to the south, and the Philippines to the northwest all share maritime borders with Palau. It covers 466 square kilometers in total. Tuvalu. With a population of 11,052, Tuvalu is the second least populous nation in the world. In Polynesia's center Pacific Ocean, on an island nation called Tuvalu. With a combined surface area of 26 square kilometers, Tuvalu is made up of 3 reef islands and 6 atolls. Tuvalu has been classified as a least developed country by the United Nations due to its small size, lack of economically viable resources, and lack of exploitation potential, LDC. Vatican City. Vatican City has the smallest population of any nation in the world, with fewer than 1,000 people. Additionally, Vatican City has a land area of about 17 square miles, making it the smallest nation in the world, 44 square kilometers. The Pope is in charge of Vatican Metropolis, which is encapsulated within the Italian city of Rome. Clergy, public servants, and Swiss Guard members are among the residents of the nation. This is all for today. Subscribe our channel for more videos.